2017 Nissan Maxima door panel removal. I'm gonna do the rear and I'm gonna do the front one. It's pretty much the same on both sides. Pop all your controls just to make life a little easier. And you want to start off at the top and then just release the clip. I'm using the O-ring pry tool because it actually gives me a good angle. So I'll pop that panel out, and then there's one down here. And just pop that out. So you got a screw here and a screw right down there. There's actually a 10 mil. You can use a Phillips head bit as well. And then you want to grab the bottom corner and just tug up. And then you got your cables. See, you got your cables right here. Just pull it out towards away from the door panel, and then lift up. Same thing here. This is the lock cable. Now, next part is it's not gonna come out because your tweeter, if you have a tweeter back here, is stuck to the door panel. You want to unclip it right there. Turn your door panel and press right there. And the same thing on this side, just being a little tougher. Sorry, this isn't the fastest video I've done. There. And that's out the way. Now your door panel can be removed. Place that down. And then you just want to stick this back into where it was. This barrier protector. It's just held on by some black gum. It's really strip cock. Alright, let's go to the front door. Essentially the same step, except you gotta take the light out. So let's start off by panel right here. Start on top. Release. Get this panel out the way. Get this little panel down here out the way. The light switch out the way. Be real careful with the light switch. These tabs are known for breaking on a lot of cars that's designed like this. Screws is in the door, just two 10 mils or Phillips head bolts, and you just give a good tug and lift up. The tweeter may come off, but that just clips into, and you can clip that back up unless you're trying to take the tweeter off, and I'm going to. So release that harness, undo that one, undo this door cable, and you're free. That is it. So the tweeter, I'll go ahead and take that out for you real quick. This is your tweeter mount wire right here, the brown cable. That's your speaker harness. And this right here is your blind spot indicator. And just undo it from the door. That's it.